Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. In the address bar, type facebook.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Facebook homepage where you can access your account. Now you'll see the Facebook login page appear. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice two input fields. In the first field, which is labeled email or phone number, go ahead and enter the email address or phone number that's associated with your Facebook account. This is the information you used when you originally created your account, so make sure you're entering the correct credentials. Next, move down to the second field labeled password. Click on it and carefully type in your Facebook password. Make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it up, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and any special characters. Your password is case sensitive, so accuracy here is important to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered both your email or phone number and your password, look for the blue login button. It's typically positioned right below the password field. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed. Facebook will now verify your credentials and grant you access to your account. And that's it. You're now logged into Facebook through Chrome and can start browsing your feed, checking notifications, and connecting with friends. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.